Hi guys, it's good to be here, and today's tutorial is how to reduce noise in your audio, how to get rid of that noise in your audio. So let's jump right into DaVinci Resolve and do that there. So let's launch DaVinci Resolve. So we're gonna wait for a while to load. So I'm still using 17 Studio. Forget about it. I don't have time to download the 18 for now, but I'm still going to do my updates very soon. I just come down here and create a new project. If you don't know how to create a new project, if they're just starting to use like DaVinci Resolve, just follow this page. I'll be uploading a lot how to use DaVinci Resolve from scratch. Don't worry. So let's just name it audio noise reduction, blah blah blah, noise reduction. I'll just create there. So what I want to do now, I want to bring in, there's an audio I made that I want to bring in here into DaVinci Resolve. So let's just drag in so the better way is to just bring your audio into DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so you can just come in here to the media pool, then look for your directory, locate your directory, your folder, wherever you save your audio, bring it in. So I just prefer the best way for me just to go in my desktop, go to the folder and just drag it in. Sorry if you don't like that. So cool. Now let's just drag our footage into the timeline. Drag into the timeline, and this is our audio. So let's play the audio and see what is really going on. What is really going on in the audio? You know, for any production, anything you're doing, audio is the key. Your audio have to be super good. So let's play back and see.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that even make sense? Yes, to sleep.
So you can see at the beginning of the audio, you see there's a noise that we need to get rid of. Let's play it again.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that even make sense?
Sleep. So let's play that again. You can hear that again?
Yes.
You see there a little bit of noise in the start of the audio. So how do you get rid of that? So what you have to do first is go to the Fairlight, and underneath the package you see here, you click, you see audio symbol, you click there. So it brings you into this environment. So this is the audio environment where you do your adjustments and stuff. So that's it. And I'll be doing advanced tutorial on this, but basically this one is just to get rid of noise. So just let us get rid of the noise. Let's play it back for me again.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep.
Just sleep. Sorry for that. So how do you get rid of the noise? So let's go. You come down to the effects, and by the right side corner you see mixer. So under mixer you see effects. So you go straight down, you go to restoration, and you go to noise reduction. So immediately you click on the noise reduction, there's a dialog box that pops out. You see the audio slot. So you have to note that I'm in audio one. So in any case where you have multiple audios, you need to know the audio that you want to get rid of the noise. Okay, sometimes you have like multiple channel for audio. So now I only have like one channel for my audio, so it's fine, so I'm good. So what you want to do now is you can either do like auto speech mode. So if you do this auto speech mode, automatically it's going to get rid of the noise. So let's just do that. Click on the auto speech mode and just let's play back and see.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that...
Okay, let's check the listing to noise only. Can you see the amount of noise that is getting rid by just using the auto? So let's stop it. So I will advise you to use the manual mode. So do it manually and you're good. I don't really like the auto speech mode. I don't really enjoy what the final output of it. So I prefer using the manual. So I will do like you can come here, come to the effect and click delete. So go back into the effect and say restoration and noise reduction. So make sure you are on the manual page. So when you tap on the manual, you see this guy. So let's click to reduce the noise. What you have to do is check this lane button and play back to the point where you have only the noise. Okay, check the button, the lane button, and play back to the point where you have the noise. So don't let it drag to the video. So let's play back and focus on the timeline. Check now and let's play back.
Yes.
So you stop. So when you stop, automatically the noise is done. So let's play back now and see.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that even...
So can you see how it does the magic for you? So you play back to the point. So my advice is, whenever you're trying to record any audio, you have to leave like maybe like a 5 seconds, 6 seconds, like a pause before you start recording, before you start talking. So that is it. So there will be like a space for noise when it gets into the software to get rid of the noise. Okay, so let's play back and see. Let's play back only the noise.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep.
So can you see? So it's getting rid of that. So let's check it out and play now the audio.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that even...
So can you see? So let's play back the original audio. So let's play back the original audio and see the difference. Okay, close this guy and let's come to the effects. Let's check this red button to disable and just check this red button. So get back to the original audio.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep.
So now let's check back the audio, the red guy. Bring it back. So
yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that even...
So that is it. So that is how you get rid of noise. Very simple and straightforward. Okay,
that even makes it...
Sorry, simple and straightforward. So you can click in here, you can make your adjustment, you can the threshold. So just play with this sensitivity, the ratio, the attack, the threshold, the smoothness, the frequency. But don't do all these things too much. Just gently. Okay, playback. While playback, you can be doing your stuff.
Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that even make sense? Yes, to sleep.
Level
stressed out whenever I'm trying to lose focus. Yes, for me, I think the best way to be focused is to sleep. Does that even make sense? Yes.
So now I have our before,
yes,
and our after.
Yes, for me, I think the best way...
So play with all the settings and see the difference. Okay, so that is how you reduce your noise in your audio. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, thank you guys. See you on the next one.